Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to display the Windows version on the desktop. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand control panel. Click and expand desktop. Double-click to open Paint desktop version. Change value to 1. Click OK and exit registry. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.